Hello everyone, good evening. For this video, we will talk about problem solving and reasoning. Sige. This is the mathematical literacy given by PISA 2015. Now, this is the modeling cycle given by the PISA. Now, this cycle we have four parts. We have the problem in context, mathematical problem, mathematical result, and then we have the last part, the results in context. But not really that, I mean, sa results in context, dili siya necessarily nga siya jud ang last end. Because as you can see here in this representation of the mathematical literacy, it is in a cycle. So, wala siya specific nga end. So, if in case you have your result na in context, you can now give another problem based on the result of the context, and then you will do another cycle with the same process. Now, let's understand paano ba ang problem in context, then you are to formulate to have a mathematical problem. Okay, sige, let's have this one. So, ito yung first stage niya. You have problem and context. You are to formulate to have your mathematical problem. So, in identifying significant variables constraint, you have to simplify the situation, making assumptions, recognizing structure and situations. So, say for example, you are given a mathematical problem or say a real life problem. Paano mo ba siya isosolve? Of course, you need to know what is the problem. What are given? Yan yung mga pinaka-basic na questions in understanding your problem. And then afterwards, you will make a representation of the problem. You can have it mathematically using words, pwede rin symbols or tsaka graph. So, anong ibig kong sabihin? Say for example, the problem is what is the total of what is the total if you have 5 bananas plus total of 5 bananas and 8 mangoes. Ayan. Now, let's understand the problem. What are given here? We know that there are 5 bananas and 8 mangoes. Now, what is being asked? We have to know what is the total of the 5 bananas and 8 mangoes. So, kapag ganyan, you will now formulate in order to make a mathematical problem. So, pwede natin siya gawin in words. Pwede siyang ganito lang. Pero para mas madali, let's make it in a mathematical form. You say, let x be the bananas. Banana. Okay. Si banana yan si x. Then you have y is for your mangoes. Mango na lang. Ayan. Now, 'di ba yung problem natin is the total or the sum of 5 bananas at saka si 8 mangoes. So, paano siya in a mathematical problem? So, ang mangyayari, you have 5 bananas, so that is 5x plus, because we are going to have the total, so that technically that is addition. So, 5x plus 8y. Now, bakit y? Kasi we have here the representation for mango that is given by the variable y equals, wala pa, hindi pa natin alam. Pwede natin ilagay dito, equals n. Now, you have your mathematical problem in a mathematical form. So, ayan. Paano na lang natin siya gagawin? Let's proceed to the next level. Erase ko muna. For the next level, we have here, ano ba siya mag-next? Ayan. Next. Employing concept, facts, procedures, and reasoning. So, eto na siya. We have here the mathematical problem. And remember, kanina, we already identified that the mathematical problem is 5x plus 8y equals n. Ayan. Devising and implementing strategies using mathematical tools, including technology, applying mathematical facts, rules, algorithms, and structures. Creating and manipulating mathematical diagrams, graphs, and constructing and extracting information from them. So, eto lahat dito, you can just apply them. Depende sa case. Now, for this particular problem, mathematical problem natin, um, paano ba natin to siya isosolve? Ayan. Paano natin siya isosolve? Di ba, alam natin na we are to add them. 5x plus 8y equals n. We wanna know the total. Now, kapag isosolve natin to siya, what is the answer? Sige ha. Alam natin na x is represented by 5 bananas. Then, si y is for mangoes. Now, kapag meron kang 5 saging plus 8 na mango, ilan lahat ang meron ka? Now, it is kind of vague because we don't really know kung ano ba yung itototal natin. Is it the total of banana and mango or the total number of fruits? Okay. Now, the question itself just speaks about the total of mango at saka total of plus the banana. Now, kapag i-add ba natin si x at saka si y, anong mangyayari? Magiging x lang ba siya or magiging y lang ba? Of course, hindi pwede, di ba? So, ang mangyayari, your mathematical result for this case is 5x plus 8y equals n. That is your mathematical problem and that is also your mathematical result. Kasi nga, adding 5x plus 8y is still 5x plus 8y. Medyo libog. Okay, sige, let's have another one. Say ang case is you wanna know the total your gain during or in doing you wanna know your gain sa isang investment. Say nag-invest ka ng 1,000 pesos. Nag-invest ka ng 1,000 pesos. And then, at the end of your investment, yung kinuha mo na yung investment mo, meron kang 1,520 pesos. Now, say you want to know how much does you gain from your investment. So, ang mangyayari, you will have the mathematical problem like this. Gain is equal to 1,520 minus 1,000. We know that 1,520 is your your total, total. And then the 1,000 is your initial investment. Now, that is the mathematical problem. Now, what is the mathematical result for this one? This is really easy kasi it's just plain subtraction. Therefore, you know that your gain from your investment is ilan? 1,520 minus 1,000 is of course 1,520. And that is now your mathematical result based on your mathematical problem. Okay? Sige. Now, let's have the next one. So for the next one, we will have this.